doTERRA, known worldwide for its essential oils, but the company is also known for supporting the community through its Helping Hands program. And for today's segment, sponsored by doTERRA, we have retired U.S. Marine Corporal Will Wiggins from the Utah Veterans Alliance and Sydney Carlson from doTERRA here today. Welcome to the both of you.
Thank you so much for having us.
And thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank
Corporal, tell me a little bit about the Utah Veterans Alliance. What do you guys do?
Yeah, so our Helping Hands for Utah's Heroes project helps veterans with everything from home and auto repairs, rental and food assistance, mobility assistance, as well as dental care. And through that program, we also help out with veterans that are looking to further their careers in electrical training. So.
Excellent. And Sydney, I'll turn it over to you. How is doTERRA helping in this cause?
Yeah, so Will came to me with an event where they are raising money for the program. And I think one of the things that got me most excited about it, because obviously anytime that we can support our veterans and give back, it's a great cause. But one thing that the Utah Veterans Alliance does really well is that they want to see veterans succeed. And one thing that is really important to us at doTERRA is empowering people worldwide and in our communities. And so anytime we can see people and help them kind of increase, their quality of life, that's a great thing. And I think that that's one thing that they do really, really well.
And this is your passion, right? This is your mission. And why do you do it? What makes this so special to you?
Well, so me as a Marine combat veteran, it's near and dear to my heart. The military is. When I got out, there was no resources or anything. And so we developed the Utah Veterans Alliance in 2015 to help the active military that are transitioning back into civilian life and to cut that red tape that they would normally have to go through.
Yeah, it's nothing like coming back to civilian life after you've fought for a country, and there's nothing that's helping when you come home. And Sydney, how can people at home help?
Yeah, so really that's probably a question for Will, because if you want to go to their website, you can also visit doTERRAHealingHands.org. We're going to try to find a way to kind of collaborate there, but Will, if you want to take that.
Yeah, so you can go to our website, www.4rutvets.org, or you can contact us at 801-363-2955.
And this is the event, Sydney, you're talking about. 2021 Salute to Heroes. This is happening next month, August 14th, 10 to 3. You'll be at the Salt Lake Sam's Club. And what will be happening there?
So there's going to be a car show. They're also raffling off some motorcycles.
Well, big prizes.
Yeah.
Yes. So lots of fun activities for the whole family. We're going to have resource boosts for businesses. Come out and test your skills throwing an axe. And we're going to have fun activities for the kids, including bounce houses, face painting, and Jub Jub the Clown to entertain the youngsters. So.
And Sydney, Helping Hands, when you're able to dive into the community and work with organizations like this, how fulfilling is it?
Yeah, that's definitely one of my favorite parts about working at doTERRA, is just that they're very, it's one thing to kind of talk the talk, but doTERRA is very passionate about making sure that we are giving back to our community. We've been very fortunate to be successful here in Utah, and so anytime we can give back here, and then as we've grown, we've been able to become more global and international that way. And so organizations like this we get really excited about being able to kind of give back in that way.
Sydney, thank you so much. Corporal Will Wiggins, thank you for your service. Thank you for all that you do and continue to do. Now, for the 5th annual Salute to Heroes Roll and Ride to Prevent Suicide is August 14th from 10 to 3 at the Salt Lake City Sam's Club again at 1900 South and 300 West. More information on abc4.com. Thank you again.